What is up, everyone? This is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to access event viewer on a remote computer. So let's get right into it. So the way we're going to fix this is we're going to be doing this via the Registry Editor. So we're going to basically type in the search bar Registry Edit or just Regedit, and you'll see essentially this screen pop up. So I'm going to actually close everything out. So once we're in here, we're going to start dropping into certain places in here. So the first thing you want to open up is HKey Local Machine. And under HKey Local Machine, you want to open up software. Once you have that opened up, you're going to look for something called Microsoft. So you can just press M and you'll most likely see the Microsoft component pop up, and then you're going to open that up. Once you open that up, we're going to be looking for something called COM3. So right there, this one. So once you have this opened up, you can just click into it. You don't need to drop into it down more. And in here, there's something called Remote Access Enabled. You want to double click into that and you want to press 1. So a lot of times the reason why this is not being happening is the value is 0, which is kind of like false essentially, hence why you're not able to have that enabled and you're having this error. You enabling it to 1, press OK, restart your computer, and then you should be good to go, and this error should not persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. You guys, after you do this, you should be good to go. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, Motorola's out.